Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get this amazing and totally free movie app for your Fire Stick or Android TV. Inside you will find thousands of movies and TV shows, including the newest ones, which are only available in movie theaters. And now, without any further ado, let me show you how to get this amazing app to your device. And first of all, what you gotta do is get the app called Downloader to your Fire Stick. So here it is, I already have it on my device, but if you don't worry, it's actually free to download from the official Amazon App Store. You just go to search on your device and start typing downloader in your search bar. And as you can see, downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. You click on it and that's the app which you need to get to your device. But after you got downloader, it's not over yet because you still have to set it up. And now to set up downloader, we go to settings, go scroll down to the My Fire TV, open that app. And now what we have to do here is turn on developer options on your Fire Stick. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's pretty easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then go to install on apps. And now what you have to do in here is locate downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So we go back to the list of apps on your Fire Stick, open it up, wait a little bit, and now here's the downloader, which is set up and ready to use on the Fire Stick. But before actually using the downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing, and it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say we'll connect to the Netherlands right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is gonna be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN, with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So go back to the list of apps on the Fire TV Stick, open it, and then head straight into Downloader. So let's open the Downloader application. And now what you have to do in here is open the search bar and start typing in the code, which will be 863280. So once again, it's 863280. Then you just click on go and wait until the download of the app starts. And while we're waiting, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you will get even more content about Fire Sticks. And now the download has started. Usually it does not take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. Then just click on install and wait until the app gets fully installed to your FireStick device. And there, don't click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way you get an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your FireStick. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way you get rid of all the unnecessary files from your FireStick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important, because by default your FireStick doesn't really have too much of free space available anyway. And now when you go to the list of apps on the FireStick, you open it up and here's the app which we just downloaded. So now, first of all, I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way, the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's gonna be pretty easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online when using such apps. Then feel free to open the application. And when you open the app, you might have to update the application. So if you see such a screen, click on settings, go to install on apps and turn that option on for HDL box itself. So the app would be able to update. Then go back to the HDL box application and you will have a prompt where you have to install the update. So let's do it. That shouldn't take too long. And now finally you get access to a lot of movies and TV shows on your FireStick. So enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.